Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you've been following me, thank you so very much. You'll be wondering what I'm stirring. Here I'm stirring my rice fufu. Rice fufu is a super delicacy and it is known by the northern part of Nigeria where I am based. Guys, you see, this is so delicious. If you try it, you get hooked to it. Please share my videos, like my videos, and give the video a thumbs up. If you want to know how I'm making this, then please watch this video till the end. For our fufu rice, we are going to be using this rice. This is local rice, but you can use any rice of your choice. So we are going to wash this rice very well until the water is clear. They will now soak it overnight before we now blend. So I'm going over to the sink now and then wash. You know, in some rice now you see weevils in the rice, so you have to wash until all the weevil is out. It's like my rice has some, so I have to wash it and take them out. You see the water is getting clear, but for me it's not clear enough, so I'll just keep washing. Water is getting clear. I will just wash 2 more times, then I will pour it in a container and soak it overnight. So I'm done washing. I'll just pour it into this bowl, leave the water, soak it. By tomorrow, I'll come rinse it and I'll blend and our rice fufu will be ready. So guys, this is our rice and this is second day I soaked this. You can soak for 4 hours, 6 hours, but if you want to get a good result for the fufu to be so silky, you have to soak for 24 hours or overnight. So you can see how clear the water is. It has been thoroughly washed. So what I'll do now is to sieve out the water. The best rice for this rice fufu, if you are in the diaspora, is jasmine rice. But if you are in Nigeria, you can use the brown rice or any local rice. But make sure you don't use the rice that is filled with sand and stone. If you do that, that means your fufu will come out very well. So I've drained it now. I'll now put it in the blender, add some water, and now blend to be very, very smooth. So guys, I'm done blending and this is what we have. You can see how silky this is. Wow, try this rice fufu and you'll be hooked to this. So I'll take it over to the gas cooker, turn on my heat and let it start cooking. Remember, you are going to be cooking on low heat, not too high, so that you have a good result. So guys, it's on the fire now on low heat and I have to keep stirring and stirring and stirring until we get a good result. Just keep turning one side, don't go the other way, just one-sided turning. This meal is from the northern part of Nigeria where I come from, the Hausa land, and they call this Tuwo Shinkafa. I don't know if you've heard about this before, and it is their delicacy there. Just keep stirring and stirring. You can see that it has this chalk-like color now, pure white. So now it's forming some lumps. Don't be scared. It's okay, just keep stirring. This fufu can go with any delicious soup. It's beginning to thicken, so just keep stirring. You can see some lumps there. I said just keep stirring. It's coming out well. We are on track. As you can see how our fufu is like now. It is thick now, no lumps again. It's so thick, so silky. See how silky this is. So what I'm going to do now, I'll add some water that I washed from the blender. I'll pour it in here, then cover the pot and let it keep cooking on very low heat. So I'll break it down so that the water can touch everywhere and it can cook very well. Just get your any soup of your choice, get it ready. So I'll cover the pot now and let it cook for some minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes, this is what we have. You can see it changing color a bit. It's turning to translucent, and that is when you know it is ready. So I'll try and incorporate this water into the fufu and let it cook some more. At this point, if you want it to be too soft, that's when you're going to make it that way. And if you want it to be too hard, you won't be adding water again. So any consistency you want, that is how you are going to add water to your rice fufu. So I'll keep stirring and incorporate the water into it very well. So guys, we are done now. Let me go and wrap our rice fufu. So guys, I'm using my cling film to wrap it up. You can get your cellophane and wrap it, and it depends on the quantity you can eat. You wrap it that way. When it's time, you take it out and then you eat. Get any soup of your choice. So guys, this festive season, you can just leave fried rice, jollof rice, and any other rice. Try this rice fufu and you just like it. Just get your delicious soup ready and you just enjoy it. So guys, I'm done wrapping. I used 2 cups of rice for this, and this is what I have. But if you are large in your family, you can make more. So guys, just grab your delicious plate of soup and then come and take yours. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing. Subscribe if you haven't. Bye bye.